YouTube, it's Jeff here, just back from Europe, where we visited a number of countries. As you've seen if you've followed my last few videos, I'm back in my home country of Canada, back in Alberta, and I'm out shooting some landscape photography tonight. So what I'm trying to do is find a nice place to photograph along a lake in Kananaskis Country called Spillway Lake. And I've never photographed at this location before, and so the sun's going to set behind me, and I'm hoping that it lights up the nice clouds that are just above the mountains right now. So that's the game plan now. I'm just looking for a place that's going to provide a nice foreground element. So I'll just explore along the banks of the this Spillway Lake, and we'll see if we can find something that'll look kind of nice to give this shot some depth and some feel. So yeah, let's give it a whirl and see what we can get. So I found this little stream just along the side of the road actually, and right into the lake. So there's a few flowers along the edge and a lot of nice green moss. So I'm actually thinking that it might work, and maybe I could frame up something that's kind of like a vertical portrait type shot with the lake in the midground and the peaks in the far distance, and then this stream in the foreground here. I'm probably going to have to slow things down with an ND filter and see how it goes. So I'm going to take a couple of test shots here before sunset hits, and then I'll show you what the composition looks like, and then we'll wait for sunset. So that's the plan. Let's get going. Okay, so I have my composition roughly set up. I'll just show you kind of in the back of the camera. Yeah, I don't know if that's going to work. Basically, just using this stream as a foreground, like I mentioned, and then the reflection on the lake and the mountains behind. It's starting to cloud up quite a bit, so I'm not sure what kind of light we're going to get, but the sunset should start happening pretty soon if we're gonna get anything. So I'm gonna get ready here. So I didn't get the color in the spot where I'd frame things up, and that forced me to move because some color was showing up basically directly south and not in the west like I'd hope. Maybe it's just a break in the clouds, or maybe I'm not facing the direction I think I am because the twisty mountain roads have kind of screwed up my my sense of direction. But I did run over to this part of the lake and just shot directly towards the light. Nothing really in the foreground, but when you have to move, and sometimes you don't get a chance to frame it up the way you want. So I'll post the shots that I did get now, and the sun's gone and there's no reason to hang around here after dark. I gotta drive back to Calgary, so I'm gonna pack up and I'm gonna get out of here. Alright, thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next one.